Time now to turn to some business news. For that, we're joined by Catherine Bennett. And Catherine, we're going to take a look, first of all, at the world of Bitcoin mining in China. Authorities there leading a major crackdown on the industry that could have a significant impact on global crypto markets.
That's absolutely right. And half of the world's Bitcoin miners live in China. So they power almost 80% of the global crypto trade. So when China cracks down on it, of course, as they did this weekend, that could lead to a reduction of at least a third of the world's crypto processing power. This weekend, the province of Sichuan said that it would close crypto mining operations. The 26 largest local mines are being investigated and have been told to shut down. Other regions are doing the same thing, and so in the short term, more than 90% of China's Bitcoin mining capacity could be halted.
Is this new, though?
Well, it's not exactly new, but it is intensifying, and that's what the difference is. China has been on a vendetta against cryptocurrency since 2017, when it shut down all local cryptocurrency exchanges. Then in 2019, they extended that ban to banks and foreign exchanges. Fast forward to this year, and in May, they banned financial institutions and payment companies from carrying out any kind of cryptocurrency transaction. And so we get to now, with Inner Mongolia and now Sichuan, the country's two biggest mining regions, with their operations completely suspended.
So why would this be happening, Catherine?
Well, there appear to be two main reasons. One of those is the climate, and second of all, China's desire to stamp out money laundering. Bitcoin mining takes an enormous toll on the environment. Last year, global Bitcoin mining consumed more electricity than the entirety of Sweden. China wants to make the country carbon neutral by 2060, and so Bitcoin just doesn't fit in with those plans. And on top of that, China's worried about the speculative nature of cryptocurrency. Officials say that the price is too easily manipulated, and it makes it easier to carry out fraud and money laundering.
What would this all mean for the Chinese Bitcoin miners, though, who actually make their living from this?
Well, they're going to be getting out. They're going to be leaving the country. And in crypto circles, this has actually been referred to as the Great Mining Migration. Now, there are already Bitcoin miners who are leaving China as they think that the industry just doesn't have a future in the country. Now, the only things that miners need are a good internet connection and good energy infrastructure. So many Chinese miners are looking west to places like Central Asia, Europe, or even further afield like the US. Texas, for example, has extremely cheap electricity, and many investors are placing their bets on Texas becoming the next hub for Bitcoin mining.
Cryptocurrency is such a volatile market, though. Before you leave us, Catherine, bring us up to date on the markets.
Well, Bitcoin particularly has been moving quite a lot this morning and over the weekend. Bitcoin slumped over the weekend and continued to drop in this morning's trading after China made those announcements. Bitcoin prices are currently down 8% to $32,852. Shares in Asian markets plummeted this morning, led by Japan's Nikkei, which was down over 3%. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index also fell 1.3%, and the Kospi dropped 0.8%. The Shanghai Composite paring back some of its earlier losses slightly, now up 0.1%. Over in Europe, we're seeing a downwards trend as well, with the FTSE down 0.6%, along with the CAC 40 and the DAX down 0.5%.
Not a very pretty picture on those markets. So Catherine Bennett, thanks a lot for that update.